Hello everyone. Today we solved the problem number 3120. Count the number of the special character one. Uh, First of all, we can understand the problem. Then we think about the solution. What we have in problem? We have a string like A, B, C, B, C. Like we have a lowercase and uppercase both. Like we can see we have a, then lowercase, then uppercase is a capital A. What we have to find? We have to find if A, like what we have. You can see we have like A, then capital A, then small b, small c, and capital B and capital C. What we have to find? We have to find like a pair of like if in a string we have present A, then we find out the it is present capital A in the string. Yes, it is present. Then we count one. Uh, Next, we have the B. We can find out the capital B are there or not. It is there. Then we increase the count is equal to 2. Then we have a small c. Then we find go through the string and find out the capital B are there or not. It is there. Then we count 3. Is our problem like we can see in example number 2. Like we have A, B, C. We see A not have a capital A, that's why it's 0. Then we have B. We see in a string don't have we not have a capital B, that's why it's 0. Then we have C, but it's not C capital C in the string, that's why it's 0. Output is 0. Third example is A, B, B, capital C, small a, and small b. Like what we have A, then we check for A. We no, in string not have a capital A. That's why count 0. Then we have a B, B, capital B are present. Then we update to 1. Then we have a, capital C, but we can't have a small c. That's why we same as a 1. Then we have a, small a, but we don't have a capital A. And then we have a B, capital B. We already updated. That's why it answer is a 1. What we can do, how its approach are there, and we have a constant world length 1 to 15, not less than 1 and not greater than 15. Only English alphabet, upper and lower English letter are there in string. What we can do, we have to take a one vector in which we store the all the small unique element of the uh, uh, lowercase. Then we take a one vector for the uh, uh, uppercase in which we store the all the capital letter in the all the position. Like we take a vector of 20 size, in 20 size. What we can do, we can find out a indexing like 0, 1, 2, like that 26 in this. And also in that we have to indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, like that 26. What not it 25. It's 25. 0 start with 0. Let then we search for the go to the string and search all the element like a are present. Then we store at a position A. Then we search small b are there. Then we store at the b. Like that we have a capital B. Then we store that b. Then we match the similar if it is present in the vector A and vector 2 equal to. Then we have to return increase the count and return that count. How we can do in coding, like you can see uh, you can see we have a vector bool, uh, in which we have a lower alphabet and upper alphabet. We store the we take a size of 2026. Then we move one for loop for there for world. Like we have world string. Then we throughout the string we check if it is lower character are present A to Z between the Z. Then uh, we can store the our small element to the our vector. And then we have a for uh, uppercase we have to 20 size of array. Then we move, our character is the between capital A to Z, then we store into 26. Then what we can, we take a special count equal to 0, then we loop for the size of 26. We can check if lowercase and uppercase in both are the present, then we increase the count and return that count. We easily can find out the answer. uh, we can return the number of the count. What is the time complexity and space complexity? In the time complexity, we have to make a one loop for the all one loop and one loop. That is the big of n and plus big of n is equal to big of n. It is the time complexity. And what is the space complexity? We take a fixed size of array 20 to 26, and uh, we can't take another extra space. That's why we have a space complexity before 1. That is our answer. Let's run it in VS Code and check it is correct or not. Right. I already write the code. Let's run it. You can see we passed all the 3 test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah. Uh, we can pass all the test cases, 866 out of 866. Thank you for watching my video.